Welcome to the Gear Garden Parade. There are many things to see. Let's count together. One shiny sun in the sky. Two fluffy clouds drifting by. Three buzzing bees fly around. Four colorful flowers in a row. Five green leaves shaking gently. Six bright ladybugs on a leaf. 7 shiny gears on a fence. 8 happy children playing games. 9 purple butterflies in the air. 10 colorful balloons floating high. 11 vibrant wagons lined up. 12 tiny ants marching through. 13 sparkling stars at dawn. 14 cheerful birds chirping sweetly. 15 soft bunnies hopping about. 16 funny hats on heads. 17 bright marbles in a jar. 18 colorful ribbons blowing. 19 friendly smiles and laughter. 20 giggles around the park. We can keep counting. 21 red tulips swaying. 22 sparkling gems in the sun. 23 tiny snails on grass. 24 cheerful fish in a pond. 25 colorful kites soaring high. 26 shiny shells by the water. 27 flowers blooming bright. 28 friendly faces all around. 29 happy frogs on lily pads. 30 shining stars at night. We find ourselves in the Gear Garden. It's a magical place full of colors. Tall trees surround the garden. Flowers bloom in every shade. A cozy path leads us forward. There are stalls with yummy treats. A bridge crosses a little stream. Kids play while parents relax. Nearby, there's a colorful fountain. Birds chirp tunes in the trees. Meet Pinky Pickles, a friendly girl. She loves colors and counts with joy. Her helper is Buzzy the bee. Buzzy helps Pinky find treasures. Together, they explore the garden. They wave to their happy friends. Everyone is excited for the parade. The sun shines brightly overhead. Pinky finds a shiny gear. Let's decorate for the parade, she says. They want to count the gears. Look! There are so many. They start gathering in a line. One by one, they stack them up. Pinky counts, 1, 2, 3. Buzzy buzzes, encouraging more. They want a colorful display. Let's make it the best parade. Everyone cheers with delight. Pinky smiles, her heart soars high. Let's keep counting the colorful gears. 31 red gears with sparkles. 32 blue gears shine bright. 33 green gears spin slowly. 34 purple gears swirl around. 35 yellow gears like the sun. 36 orange gears, so cheery. 37 pink gears, so pretty. 38 silver gears, shiny and fun. 39 golden gears, reflecting light. 40 gears in a lovely line. Counting is fun with friends. Pinky shows kindness as they work. Please help me with this gear. Thank you, she says with a smile. They share tools and work together. Let's wait for our friends, says Buzzy. They hold hands as they count. They look both ways while crossing. They help each other with smiles. Let's share our ideas, Pinky says. Everyone joins in the fun. Look! A surprise awaits them. A rainbow appears in the sky. It stretches across the garden. Wow! Everyone gasps in wonder. They dance under the rainbow together. Pinky feels grateful for friends. Buzzy buzzes in happiness. We can create fun memories. The parade is almost here. Let's gather our colorful gears. Let's recall what we learned today. We counted from 1 to 40. We saw colorful gears and flowers. We shared kindness with each other. Together, we created a lovely parade. We spotted rainbows in the sky. Pinky and Buzzy are great friends. Teamwork made everything great. Kindness helps us all shine. Counting makes our hearts happy. As the day ends, the sun sets. The garden glows with warm colors. Everyone enjoys their yummy treats. Pinky and Buzzy wave goodbye. The Gear Garden Parade is a success. Smiles and laughter fill the air. Let's always count and create. Every day can be a parade. Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Have a cozy night.